Hello, darling. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video. It's your girl again, Miss B, and today I brought you another special package. As usual, we are still on the letters of English alphabet, and today I'll be talking about the letter I and the sounds associated with this letter. And if time permits me, I will be talking about another letter altogether. So let's talk about the I. I is actually a vowel letter and it is the ninth letter of the English alphabet. It has some sounds associated with it. So the very first sound we'll be talking about today is the I, just like you pronounce it as I. Okay, so you say I. This particular sound is actually a diphthong sound and it is very easy to make, just like I already pronounced it. Most of the words actually have their I's as I. Okay, so examples are eyes. That reminds me, I have heard people pronouncing this word as eyes. Okay, darling, the CA there is not pronounced as Z. So you rather say eyes, like you want to say snake. So you say eyes, okay, not eyes. All right, another one is pronounced as icon, icon. And next one to be idle, idle, iron, identify, ideology. We also have it in the middle. Examples are 5, violent, size, kite, mine, fine. Oh, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so that is it. And then we move on to the next sound of the letter I, which is the A sound. Most people actually pronounce this one as E, but rather you say A. Examples are words like fish, pick, sit, wish, inculcate, inspect, invisible, instruct, investigation, matrimonial, bridge, figure, and so on. All right, we have next one to be the sound of E. This particular one is a long vowel sound. Although the first one I talked about, what is the A sound, is a short one, but this one is a long sound. Okay, I have it mostly at the middle of a word, but we have letter E ending that particular word, and that E should be silent so that this particular long vowel sound will be heard clearly. All right, I have examples like please. Okay, so you don't say please. So you have please, Christine. I have machine, machine. You see that? I have next one to be magazine, magazine. We have chemise and Argentina and so on. Okay, let's talk about the schwa sound, which is the sound in words like animal, pencil, cousin, family. Of course, you can pronounce this one also as family. His, this, usually when it is a weak form anyway. All right, let me hurriedly talk about the next letter, which is the letter J, before we close for the day. But this letter J is the 10th letter of the English alphabet, and of course it is a consonant sound, right? So today we'll be doing a consonant and a vowel sound altogether. Alright, the letter J is pronounced as J, okay, and not J. Okay, we have the basic, which is the J sound. Mostly we have it at the beginning of a word. It can as well be at the middle of a word. I've actually not seen it most of the times at the end. Okay, so let's talk about the J at the beginning, which examples are judge, jug, January, job, jungle, jewel, joy, jeopardize, jawbreaker, join, jump, justification, and Jesus. All right, let's talk about the J at the middle of a word. Examples are majesty, major, conjugate, reject, subject, conjunctiva, and so on. Okay, another sound of the letter J is the Y sound. This particular one, I have an example like hallelujah. Growing up, I remember When my friends see this particular transcription, they will think it is J. All right, so then we say hallelujah, and then you also see people pronouncing yes as Jess because of the transcription. Okay, so letter J in transcription is no longer J. It will be interesting. You know that this is pronounced as Y and not J. Okay, so you want to say hallelujah and not hallelujah. Oh, another name here. This is a Yasmin. I have seen people say that as Jasmine anyway, but it can still sound nicely if you say Yasmin. I think most Americans will say Yasmin. So Jasmine, whichever one, still right anyway. Okay, let's talk about the next one, which is J sound. I think I have only one word for this for now, which is deja vu. Deja vu. Okay, now let me talk about the last sound for this particular letter, which is the W sound. This particular one is seen in words like marijuana. Marijuana. So you don't say marijuana. How do you say that word, by the way? Do you say marijuana? Okay, that word is pronounced as marijuana and not marijuana. Okay, so please, if you say that as marijuana, please stop saying that. The right pronunciation is marijuana and not marijuana. And then there's this name pronounced as Juanita. Okay, you can as well say Juanita. Juanita. Okay, so this is where we are calling it a wrap for the day. I think you have learned something. Trust me, there was never a minute or a second you spend with me that will go in vain. So thank you very much for joining me again today. I really appreciate it, and I am hoping to see you again. I am your one and only Miss B. Try and stay out of trouble in this trying time. Okay, I love you, and I love you so much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.